The Bendix Academy is a youth mentorship program where we teach students as young as 12 years old how to become mechanically inclined and how to use tools. We call this Toolmanship. Toolmanship is the art and skill of using tools and machinery and becoming mechanically inclined. We at Bendix Academy believe that every student should be offered a chance to learn how to use tools. The mission of the Bendix Academy is to get students prepared for a career that requires mechanical abilities, whether that's the trades or engineering or a job as a mechanic or a maintenance person somewhere. It requires a mechanical comprehension and an understanding of the physical world. What drove me to start the mentorship program to teach toolmanship was actually quite humble and quite simple. 3 years ago, when we were working on restoring airplanes in the museum, we just brought in young students to work with us in it. And it just grew. And soon we were teaching students who didn't know anything about tools how to use tools, and quickly realized that this was a very popular program. What we discovered with the Toolmanship program is that we are building self-confidence in these students. I didn't expect that. I thought at first we were just teaching them tools, but we realized that there's a lot of students coming from many different backgrounds. And what we learned is that mastering the tools somehow gave them a big boost of confidence. And I've got several examples of students who were shy or perhaps not very sociable with the students their own age, and now they have blossomed and they have tremendous confidence. The Bendix Academy is also great for mentors, because when a mentor, most of them retired, what do with 4 decades of experience? So now they love the experience to be able to pass that knowledge and that skill down to the next generation. We need Bendix Academy because there is a shortage of young adults entering into the trades and mechanical careers. So Bendix Academy is preparing them and helping fill the gap that is present in the trades, mechanical careers. So what we're asking for in our nonprofit toolmanship program is for mentors. We need mentor volunteers and we need administrative volunteers. And we need funding. This will always be a charity in that we are helping the community students, and we're also helping the community industries in placing future talent, because we're starting them as young as 12 years old to learn how to use tools, become familiar with what the industry needs, and then eventually have a satisfying career in one of those jobs.